drop this ear down towards the shoulder. There we go. Breathe in and out. Yeah, all the way out. Just imagine James cooking for you, you know? Some delicious.
How did you know?
He's cooking something, you know, savory.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Woo!
Ain't this fun?
Uh-huh.
Gotcha. Just don't drop Sharon.
Oh! Okay. That wasn't bad.
I know.
That wasn't bad.
Sharon, this is gonna sting a little bit, okay? Bear with me. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Just gonna pump it a little bit there. Told you. Breathe, 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 breathe now.
Woo! I'm gonna call you tomorrow. Oh, that is good. Woo! I may not appreciate that in a couple of hours, but right now,
Okay.
that's not too bad for a 62-year-old.
Yeah.